So welcome back, everyone. Mike and Melissa here. It is Sunday evening right now, and this could be our shortest video ever. We have an announcement to make, and it's kind of short notice. But this Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, which would be August 11th, August 11th, we will be at the Ag Progress Days. It's near State College, Pennsylvania. I'll put all that information in the video, and I'll also put it in the description. But we will be at A&M Logging's booth. We're looking forward to it. So if anybody's in the area and wants to go, stop and say hi, please do. But the Ag Progress Days, right outside of State College. It's at the it's near Pine Grove Mills, PA, which is just west of State College on Route 45. But I think it's the largest outdoor agricultural expo in Pennsylvania. And it's a 3-day event, and we will be there this Wednesday. So if anyone wants to stop and say hi, and everyone will be doing the social distancing thing and all that, so there probably won't be much hugging going on and things like that. But we will be there, and we look forward to seeing you if you can make it. But yeah, that's pretty short notice, but I wanted to get this out there. I meant to mention it the other day in a video, and I forgot. So we'll be going to this. And then we'll also be going to the Paul Bunyan Show in October near Cambridge, Ohio. That's always a great time. And but that's really all I have to say about that. But we had a pretty relaxing day today, didn't we?
Yep.
We went to my mom's birthday party today. My sisters were there, all their kids, so it was a nice day there. But it's hot and muggy right now.
It is.
And we just got back to the house a little bit ago, and we're just kind of taking it easy, though, huh?
Yeah. Well, everyone but Archie.
Archie, he's wound up, that dog. He's always on the move, isn't he?
He is.
Did you happen to see, I know some of you are on Facebook and some aren't, but tell them about that whole stick thing the other night.
Oh, yeah. If you go to our Instagram or Facebook, Outdoors with the Morgans, you can check it out. But he always wants to bring a stick in, and I'm like, nope, no stick sneaking tonight, man.
And it was dark.
My man, yeah, and he'd drop it or he'd walk away, and when he'd drop it, he'd be like, nope, I can't, and he'd pick it up and he'd circle, and he's wagging his tail, and it was so funny. So go check it out. I put it to music. I made it as a reel on Instagram, but then it sends it to Facebook, so you can go to Outdoors with Morgans and check it out. It's pretty funny. You
even tried bribing him with some jerky, and he was like, yeah, and then it'd back away, and he just... Yeah. He is so proud of sticks. Like, he thinks it's the great. He literally prances. Thinks it's the greatest thing in the world. And by the door going into the house, it's just there's sticks, pieces of firewood, 2x4s, anything wood related. He likes. He likes that, and he always carries it in. Tries to get in the house. We make him drop it. So there's a big pile right there.
Yeah.
But anything else you'd like to add, Melissa?
No, I look forward to meeting all of you, and if we've met you already and you're coming, that's great. I look forward to seeing you again. Yeah. That'll be Wednesday, August 11th.
Yeah, from noon to 4. I don't know if I mentioned that. That's when we will be there. We'll probably be there before and a little bit after, but we're saying noon to 4 at A&M Logging's booth, and I'll have all that information in the description of this video. So I think that's about it. This will be the easiest video that I ever edited right here.
Maybe. And then we did a short one when daughter Eva jumped through her hands. Do you remember that?
I do remember that.
I had my hair in a ponytail, so I can just feel my hair with the humidity. It's just growing. It's like a chia pet.
Oh, and the beard's still growing too. It's getting a little hot here in August.
Oh, yeah.
Can't wait till it cools down again. But we get about 3 or 4 days of hot weather, then it cools down again.
Yeah, usually. It always changes.
But anyway, I think that's it. I think that's all we have to say about that. Hope to see some of you on Wednesday. And like we always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe. See you on the next one, right?
Yep.
All right.